boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm rocking on a new song from Olivia Rodrigo, Maggots For Brainss. Whoa, different, but still a great song. Before we move on to that, we're gonna go and mention this new YouTube channel of mine. It's called Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here. I would love you to go and check out that one and subscribe to my channel. I need your support, guys, and that is a way for you to thank me for my work here, basically. So I really appreciate that. Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Would love to have you as a member there. So now let's focus on the Maggots song. We have a capo on second. That is the absolute best scenario for us. We have 4 chords, very easy. We have a little bit of a challenge how to handle them in the verse play. We're gonna come to that. First, let's go through the chords. So we're gonna start with G. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have C next. And that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have E minor. That goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the D. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So the 4 famous chords, G, C, E minor, and D, that is simple. I mentioned the challenge here to handle the strumming, and yes, we have a 3-part strumming. We could do this much easier and just survive through the song, but if you get this strumming, just give a couple extra minutes to get it. It will do so much more than just play a song. And yeah, I really suggest that you maybe take some notes on the strumming pattern to really get it right. So let's start with that first. We will learn it with the first chord, the G, and one full round first to demonstrate for how it sounds goes like this. Okay, and we need to cut this into 3 different parts to have the right timing, especially for the verse play. Okay, so the first part will be down, 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 up, down. So that's the first part. The second part is to continue with up, up, down. Okay, so far we learned down, 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 up, down, part 1, and then part 2, up, up, down. And then you're gonna finalize this with the third part is up, up, down, up. That's part 3. Okay, so together, slowly, it's like this. So part 1 again, then part 2, and part 3, and 1 full round, tempo, and a couple of rounds. So on. All right, so now we're gonna use this for the verse play. So you're gonna play G, C, E minor, and D, that order. So for G, you're gonna play part 1, the down, 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 up, down. Then you go over to play the C, which is part 2 and part 3. So basically you finish off that first string pattern with G and C. So G, part 1, C, part 2, and part 3, like this. Then you play the E minor, part 1 and part 2. And then you're going to finish off with D, part 3. So pretty much E minor and D finish off one strumming pattern, but the cut is differently here. That is the reason for us having 3 different parts of the strumming pattern. So E minor, part 1 and part 2. And D, part 3. That's it. So slowly, 1 chord progression around G, C, E minor, D goes like this. And in tempo, couple rounds. have it. Like I said, it's worth to get this and invest a couple extra more minutes to play this. Now, I played 2 rounds for you. You're going to play 4 rounds. That is the first verse. Then we're going to go over to the pre-chorus. Starts about 34 seconds in. Empty. Look at you. That's where we are in the lyrics. Or look at me, sorry. We're going to play only the C chord for 2 full strumming rounds. So, 2 full rounds. That is the pre-chorus. Now over to the chorus at 40 seconds in. I'm a zombie. That's how she feels, Olivia. Sorry for her, but still. Now you're gonna play G, 1 full round, E minor, 1 full round, C, 1 full round, and G, 1 full round. That chord progression, you're gonna play that for 3 rounds. So 1 round goes like this. Notice we start and end on G. So 3 rounds of that, and that is the first round of the song. And from now on, there are no news, guys. We have just repetition. The second verse is played exactly the same as the first one. The same goes with the second pre-chorus. And the second chorus, I'm going to bake in everything there in the end, because you're going to play the chorus, you're going to play the bridge part, you're going to play the outro. All together, you're going to play the chorus play. And I believe it's about 8 full rounds, maybe 10, I'm not sure. But still, you're going to play the chorus play from that second chorus till the very end in the same way. And that, my friends, is how you handle Maggots For Brainss. What a cool, dark title on a great song. So, yes. Thank you for having me here and watching this tutorial. And I mentioned my new YouTube channel. Go and check out that one. Hope you enjoyed this. And until next time, play tuned.